Hey guys, welcome to the Camec door video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you the main features and utilization of the Camec door, how to separate the fly screen, how to troubleshoot, and how to get the best out of this product. First and foremost, this product has 3 strikers. The strikers are on the aluminium frame of the door and they allow for an adjustment as well as actually closing the door. The door, when open, secures back to this little hooking point here. Sometimes they're upside down depending on the fixture and fitting, so sometimes it'll be other way around. It pulls back, you, with a single finger, flick open and hook, like so. That's secure. Now, to separate the door, to be able to have fly screen and the main entrance door, you go up. So a lot of people just do this and go, yep, great. And it sometimes jams up. This one's nice and loose fitting, brand new. But what we want to do is we want to go up and then see how it pushes past sort of that center line. That's really going to disengage all of the locks. So we go up and a bit more, right? Done. So right to the sky is the best way to be able to describe it. Once the door shuts, it engages all 3, 1, 2, and 3 locking points, and then you can get your key and close him off. So what I see a lot of caravanners make the mistake of, they do this. So if they're gonna unlock, they go like that, right? I don't like that. I like going back to that center point, and then it keeps it nice and easy. So a lot of them go like this, and then try and pull the key out. Doesn't work, doesn't work. Center line, back out, and then that is locked. Flat with no handle out is an indication that she is locked. Go left, unlocked. We're gonna go back to the center line again, as we've shown, and you want to make sure that when this door goes back, it engages all 3 grabbers. 1, 2, and 3. A lot of people get into trouble because they don't have all the grabbers engaged, and the door then misses a step, and it goes sort of 1, 2, and grabs there, and then this part here is all loose. See that? And then that's where you get into trouble. Doors go past striker plates, they lock themselves out. All these bits and pieces make it really difficult. Now, the Camec door comes in a right-hand and left-hand hinge. Often it is described as a Caravan supply parts as you'll need that specific information. Right-hand hinge, left-hand hinge. To identify, of course, pretty straightforward. Door straight on right-hand hinge, hinges are on the side. Hinges on the left-hand side is left-hand hinge. Open this door up, pinning back. The other main feature of the door is obviously the roller blinds. Just like at home, all the way down. There's some fantastic tips and tricks on the owners clubs of Crusader and general forums about sort of the wind bounce of this guy here. A lot of people get those 3M hooks, lock him in place. Have a look around, see what other creative ideas people have. Now, some troubleshooting tips on the door. If a caravan park is a little bit oblong, a little bit on the off level, you want to be able to make sure the door grabs. If you're not finding the doors locking hard enough, it's probably not engaging all 3 striker plates. Now, not in a new van, but in a second hand or, obviously a few years older van, you may need to adjust it. So the process to adjust it is, we'll just do the bottom one here. We're going to put a screwdriver in and we're going to loosen and loosen, oh, like so. Now, look at the adjustment. It allows for that movement left to right. So if you feel the door is going too far past, you can bring the striker back, striker forward, and you once I made that adjustment, so we're just going to check all the others. Yep, we're in the same line, and tighten up with a screwdriver. Really important, use a screwdriver. Don't use an impact gun. You will thread and cross thread these screws. They're a very lightweight screw. You want to make sure everything is tidy. Also, over a period of time, the door, obviously being a flexible unit, can have a bit of flex in it. You might find that this sort of cosmetic rubber strip here is doing a little bit of wear and tear on this point just here. Our best advice is, a lot of people heat these up, compact them down, and obviously service and warranty agents. Depending on the year of it, depending on warranty periods, that's something to keep an eye for. It is removable. You can actually get a pin-nose pair of pliers, pop him out, and whack him in at a later stage, or obviously, door removal, refitment, whatever you like. But obviously, large concerns are something that a cosmetic strip, I believe, is a lot easier to be able to utilize. So you've got 3 adjustment points. You've got your main fixing points all around the door. This guy here, being a Camec unit, is identifiable by the serial numbers just on the side frame of this door. So if you ever have a warranty issue or anything like that, there's a little side clearance point just here, and you've got all the identification numbers. And on some of the doors, there may be an identification number on the side up here as well that you can get an indication. So it's a 2 right-hand hinge door. It's a 1712 by 585 door. So when you're identifying the make, the model, the year, the warranty periods, that sort of stuff, your service and warranty agent or dealer may ask you for that information before submitting a warranty claim. These keys can be cut at most locksmiths, Mr. Minutes in your local shopping centre sort of thing. Not everyone will have the spare key for them, but obviously Very, very handy to get. Make an extra cut, hide it somewhere in the van. You've got the magnetic holders behind the fridge vents, wherever you want to be able to pop in, but these are a fantastic asset to be able to get a little spare. Once you're done, travel position, we close him. You don't have to be super light on, you know. A lot of people go, oh, it's a door click. By making it such a subtle sort of thing, you're having less chance of obviously engaging no pins. All the pins need to be engaged in order to be able to lock it, and lock. And unlock, back to center, perfect. Last but not least, jump inside, have a look. We're going to show you the internal locking mechanism of the door itself. So, it's a little bit hard to see. I'm gonna pop my little torch on here so you can actually see. So, what we've got is, we've got our lock, like so. That is locked. Down, up for unlocked, down for locked, right? Obviously the handle's engaged. Up is unlocked, down is locked. If you're having trouble with the lock, it's not locking from inside, chances are you probably need to look at adjusting those 3 striking points to be able to facilitate a better grab. And that, my friends, is everything you need to know about a Camec Crim-safe doors. If you'd like to find out any more information, you can head to our website, check out more YouTube tutorial videos, or alternatively, just like and subscribe for the next one. Thanks, guys.